Okay, so it came up last night, 2 different conversations. Does Qigong make you spiritual? But I'm already spiritual, so I don't need to do Qigong. And then it came up, you think you're spiritual because you do Qigong. Qigong don't make you spiritual. 2 different conversations, the word spiritual kept coming up, so I have to classify for everyone. The word spire, S-P-I-R, we're going to use that word in a sentence. So there's inspire, there's respire, and there's expire. So what does the word spire mean? It means the breath. So when you inspire, you breathe God in. When you expire, you breathe God in. When you respire, you're continuously breathing in the true nature of God. We're talking about inspiration, respiration, and expiration. So spiritual means to breathe as a ritual. Spirit ritual. So if I do breathing exercises, guess what's happening with my nervous system? What's happening to my heart rate? Now, what makes your heart speed up? Diaphragm is the muscle. So when your song comes on the radio and you say, that's my jam, and then you go jamming, your blood pressure goes up, your heart rate speeds up. But it's because of the diaphragm that pushes the air out that allows the blood to come in. So it is your diaphragm muscle that regulates your heart. So spirit ritual means I breathe consciously. Breathing in is unconscious. Breathing out is conscious. So if I'm a spiritual being, I consciously create a ritual around breathing, which slows my heart, slows my respiration, and slows my brain waves and calms my nervous system so that I can make better choices.
You just dropped the mic.
Okay, so I want all of you to replay this portion and write down the notes. I know Vinny's already going to do that. I know Mike Brisboy is already going to do that. And I know Nathaniel Sutton is already going to do that.
And Lotus.
And Lotus is going to write it down too?
And Serena.
Okay. And Serena. And DJ Kitty's going to write it down. Because I'm going to look over her shoulder. So when she has conversations with her clients, she can remind them, do you have a spirit ritual? It's breathing exercises. And my husband teaches 8 different breathing exercises. Those are your spirit rituals. So you answer the question to yourself. Does Qigong make you spiritual? And if you're doing Qigong, are you spiritual?
Yes.
Universal love and gratitude. Today's Friday. I want you to turn one person on to Qigong on Saturday and a different person on to Qigong on Sunday. And on Monday, I'm going to teach you about the medicine Buddha meditation.